said tax evasion by millionaires and billionaires tops $150 billion a year. Yeah, and they'll keep getting away with it, and the IRS will just keep coming after us. The world economy's going down. The metal in Europe was anemic. Paul Kildemo, chief financial officer of the Norwegian company, Norsk Hydro, said construction crash because of high rates and rising building costs. They're not up there yet, but if this continues, we're going to see a crisis the likes of which we've never seen.
Tax evasion by millionaires and billionaires tops $150 billion a year. Millionaires and billionaires are evading more than $150 billion a year in taxes, according to the head of the Internal Revenue Service. The IRS, with billions of dollars in new funding from Congress, has launched a sweeping crackdown on wealthy individuals, partnerships, and large companies. Werfel said the agency is using artificial intelligence as part of the program and others to better identify returns most likely to contain evasion or errors. Not only does AI help find evasion, it also helps avoid audits of taxpayers who are following the rules. Now, we'll show you more clips of Gerald Celente, but first hit the like button and smash the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you do not miss out on our daily videos. Check our links in the description for some massive sign-up bonuses if you're looking to add crypto to your commodities portfolio. Enjoy the video.
The markets. Everybody's concerned about the equity markets. We don't talk about this shit. Oh, the markets went up today. The S&P surged to new highs Thursday after the chip giant NVIDIA reported much stronger than expected quality results, lifting the whole tech sector. Yeah, the Magnificent Seven. The world economy's going down. The markets are nothing more than a rigged game. And again, we said when the whole chat began in 2023, we said this is for real. It's bearish sentiment is only 31%. So it's very low. And it keeps going down week after week. But we're only looking at the United States. We're not looking at the rest of the world, because that's all America does. Hey, oil prices went up. Can't understand why. Oh, yeah. The Middle East explosion is real. Besides the explosions of the Iranian oil depots that Israel is blowing up, according to the New York Times, American officials, and the Iranians. So oil prices are going up. They're not up there yet, but if this continues, we're going to see a crisis the likes of which we've never seen. All right, biggest EV market loses steam. No shit. Why don't you look at one of your top trends for 2024? Demand cools for EV battery metals. Yeah, no shit. We said this was going to happen. And what else? Oh, Walmart seals $2.3 billion deal for TV maker Vizio. That's great. Vizio, whatever the fuck you owe. Again, the bigs keep getting bigger. And here's one in CNBC. The guy did it from the IRS. Said tax evasion by millionaires and billionaires tops $150 billion a year. Yeah, and they'll keep getting away with it, and the IRS will just keep coming after us. Again, plantation workers of slave land here. Oh, and all you Trump folks, he folked us, boy, with his tax deal in 2017 when he said, yeah, we're going to lower the taxes for the bigs and the corporations so they could invest it into capital improvements. Total fucking Trump. Bullshit. Yep. Stock buybacks at an all-time high in 2018. They did shit about capital improvements. Food takes bigger bite out of wallets. Don't worry about it. This is a front page story in the Wall Street Journal. Poverty soared 23% in New York. Don't worry about it. Everything's fine. Hey, the billionaires are getting richer.
Silver gives up early gain at the 200-day exponential moving average. Silver initially tried to rally during the course of the trading session on Thursday, reaching the 200-day moving average. We have seen a lot of selling pressure there. If we do break down from here, I would actually welcome that, as silver is likely to continue looking at the $22 level as a potential floor in the market. On the upside, we have the $23.50 level, which is also a barrier that I think will be difficult to overcome. Now, we'll show you more clips, but first, subscribe and turn on notifications and check our pinned comment for some massive sign-up bonuses. Enjoy the video.
Bloomberg, German manufacturing downturn unexpectedly deepened. What the fuck you talking about? Unexpectedly deepened. We've been warning about it week after week, month after month, year after year. And get this in your head, Bloomberg, a little shit that ran for president, not a fucking penny for peace. None of them. No billionaires putting their money for peace, only big and builder yachts, and giving the plantation workers less money. 43%. Global equities owned by the 1%. 54% of U.S. stocks and equities owned by the 1%. Not a fucking penny for peace. So going back to this article, it's not unexpected. You ready? And they don't even mention this in this. S&P Global Index of the country's industrial sector dropped to 42.3. They don't say that any number under 50 is a deep decline. This is a deep decline. And again, go in your Trends Journal, whole articles about this before this was written in this week's. And here's the cover of this week's magazine, just to make things clear. America, no ceasefire. We supply weapons to keep bloodying the killing fields. Norsk Hydro hit by weak aluminum demand. Very, very important, because it's showing a recession. And this is the language from Graham Keir, chief executive of South 32, a large Perth-based aluminum producer, said demand for metal in Europe was anemic. Paul Kildemo, chief financial officer of the Norwegian company, Norsk Hydro, said construction crash because of high rates and rising building costs. Again, old news. We warned this is going to happen, but hey, the stock markets are up. What's the matter with you? Reuters. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau said on Thursday, that's today, credit card companies' interest on loans was at an all-time high, costing customers about $25 billion extra each year. Hey, you guineas, you mafia, you're charging 10% interest rate. Yeah. Hey, but we're Citibank. We're MasterCard. I just got a new card, 24.5%. That's the rate if you don't pay. 24.5%. This is a crime.
What do you think of today's episode? Do you agree with Gerald Celente? Will America suffer an economic recession next year? Post in the comments section down below your honest opinion and share this video with someone who hates Biden. Subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so, and check this video right here because you'll love it. I see you on the other side.